Hey guys, Chris here from Eyes on Marketing, and today I will be showing you how to set up a Google My Business step by step. A Google My Business has really evolved over the years from just putting you on the map. If you have a store, it's super crucial to have one, or even if you don't even have a storefront, it's super crucial to have one. It gives the opportunity for a user to find you with keywords. It gives them the opportunity to leave a review, ask you a question, give you a call, or more traffic to your website. So let's begin. Let's set up your Google My Business. All right, first head over to google.com/business and make sure you are signed into your Gmail you'd like to manage your listing under. So when you are signed in to your Gmail, click sign in or manage now. If you've been in business for a while, sometimes Google magically has your business as a listing already, but for this particular video, we're going to select add your business to Google. Now, Google's going to prompt you to start building your business profile. So go ahead and enter in your business name. I'm going to enter in Eyes on Marketing for this video. My business category is a marketing agency. And you're going to have to click on whatever industry that Google prompts you. And by continuing, you're agreeing to these terms and conditions. So go ahead and click next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? So this is the opportunity for you to show up on maps if you have a location. If you are a freelancer or a person that does not have a location, you're going to have to click no. But for this, we will click yes because I do have a storefront or an office. All right, and the address for my business is 11 West Ocean Boulevard, Long Beach. So go ahead and enter in your address, hit next. Is this your business? So sometimes it'll show you like a duplicate. But for this one, we are right here. I'm going to say none of these, just as if I'm entering a new one. Do you also serve customers outside this location? Yes, I do. Always click yes because it's going to give you the opportunity to put in cities around your area. So add the areas you serve. And for us, we serve like the greater Los Angeles area. We also serve Orange County. We give like a little bit more specific. And for you, I would go ahead and enter in the cities closest around you. Um, and if you don't have a storefront, this will probably, Google will take you here directly to add the areas that you serve. So go ahead and put in the areas that you serve and hit next. All right, what contact details do you want to show your customers? I want to show all my contact details. So I'm going to put in my phone numbers, put in your phone number for your business, and your URL. So this just gives the opportunity for your clients to click on the website and go to the website. I don't need a website, so go ahead and click that if you already have a website. Um, Google My Business is creating a website for customers. So if you need a website, go ahead and get a website based, basically a free Google website. But in this case, I don't need one, so I'm going to hit next. Yeah, sure. Stay in the know. I want updates and recommendations for my business on Google, so I'm going to hit yes. All right, so choose a way to verify. So for Google to fully publish it onto Google, They need to verify that you are an actual business and actually do work. So uh, they sometimes don't give the option to give a phone number, but if they do, I would definitely take advantage of them calling that number if you have access to it, which I hope you do. But they will call that office line or that business line, and they will give you a verification code. And after they give you that verification code, you'll have to put it into a verification box. But most of the time, it's a postcard by mail option, which I would definitely do, which they will send a postcard to your business. And then it's the same thing. Once you're ready to verify it, all you have to do is log back in and insert that verification code. But as of for this option, I will verify later. All right, so add your services. So this gives us the opportunity to add a bit more services. Google thinks that we are a telemarketing agency. We don't really do that, but we will be able to add in custom services. So if they don't give you the right ones, don't be afraid to add in a custom service of what you do. But for now, I think I'm going to skip this. All right, adding business hours is super important because if somebody searches for you um, with a particular keyword and your Google My Business shows up, it'll let them know if you're open or not to give you a call. So I'm going to say we're open at 9 a.m. No, let's do 8 a.m. and we close at 5. Just an example, but go ahead and enter in all your hours per day um, and then hit next. All right, and add messaging. So let customers message your business Google for free. So accept messages. Definitely accept messages, but you're gonna have to download the Google My Business app to actually receive these messages. So for this purpose, I'm setting it up on a desktop at the moment. So, but for this, we'll hit next. I definitely want to accept messages. All right, a business description. So this is a good way to enter in some keywords into your profile. Um, and so make sure you write a concise message, straight to the point, let people know who you are, add in some keywords of your business, and then hit next. So I'm going to say, I'm a marketing agency that does search engine optimization. I would definitely add in more, but for this particular video, I'm going to make it as simple as possible and hit next. Add photos of your business. If you don't have any photos, you can go ahead and skip this, but definitely add photos. This also gives the opportunity for clients to add photos of your business if you have a storefront, but definitely add photos to show people what you do. All right. Thank you, Google, for letting me know that my profile is almost ready. So after this, we'll hit continue. And that's it. Your Google My Business is set up. Um, and just make sure that you get verified. Verification is needed. So when you send out that postcard, if you gave that option to send out that postcard, go ahead and hit verify now. It's going to send you to that location to where you need to enter in that code. Um, or it could also give you the opportunity to give a phone call as well, and to get that code and enter it in again. But that's pretty much it. It's a really simple step by step. They guide you through everything. I hope this helps with your Google My Business needs. If you'd like more info, don't be afraid to message us, and we can give you a bit more tips and tricks on how to add more stuff to it. I think later down the line, I will make a more in depth video on all this information. But thanks again for watching and take care.